Hello everybody, it's 25. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a background with Photoshop. All you need here is just a magic wand tool. You could do the quick selection tool, but it will take a while. So just magic wand tool, make sure you unlock the layer so it will actually delete the background. So you just click it, try to find a right area, not too bad, or do it one at a time, delete it, and so on. You can worry about this stuff later, or get rid of the background first. Now some of it might get erased, you have to be careful, that's all. There's always options up here to refine it, and so you have it selected. So let's say here, find edge, and do it like that. See what it looks like when it's selected. Or you can't really get it perfect. That's the only bad thing about this. For now, I'll just do it like that. And not the end. You can move this to, just delete it, the background for that. Then once it's done, deselect. It's not the best. I mean, you need the better picture, and it takes a lot of practice, but you get the idea. You just remove the background with that, or you could do it with the correct selection tool, but let's see, do that too in the next video. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This helped you, leave a comment, a like in the video. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.